Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Jasper's joining us for this intro because he's very clingy, and I was getting ready, I was doing my makeup, and I think that he thinks that I'm about to leave him because I never do my makeup if I'm not going anywhere anyways. And then lately I just haven't done my makeup at all, like in weeks. And I just put my hair up, so I still haven't done my hair in weeks, but one step at a time, right? Anyways, he is about to go to the vet. He doesn't know that, but feels so weird sitting down and filming because I haven't filmed in a few weeks. So this video is going up on a Tuesday, and then 4 days before that, on a Friday, my previous video had went up, and that video was actually filmed a few weeks before, but it just, I let you all know in that video that I would be telling you in this video why it went up so late, and so much has happened. Basically, the week that it was supposed to go up, I was having really bad technical difficulties with my memory card syncing to my computer, so I was having issues getting the video clips onto my computer in order to edit them. It was a mess. I ended up getting locked out of my like my Apple ID password. Somehow I needed it to like be able to use music in that video. I got locked out. I don't even know. There was just a whole bunch of complications that took several days to figure out. And then by the time that it was figured out, I had last minute decided to drive to my mom's, which if you all are new here and you don't know, she actually lives in the Charlotte, North Carolina area. She actually lives in South Carolina, but it's right outside of Charlotte. So I went and visited her for 4 days, 5 days, 4 days. I think it was 4. But it was, we had literally decided on a Thursday. On that Friday, I drove, and then I came back that following Tuesday. So that would have been the next Tuesday that the video should go up. And I brought my computer so that I can edit while I was there, but since I was only there for 4 days and I hadn't seen them since Christmas because of the virus, I just wanted to spend time with them. And then the day after I got back on a Wednesday, Matt actually had surgery. It was nothing. He had a very small hernia, and he's had it for years. It's never bothered him, but they just wanted to take care of it before it got worse. So he had that surgery. So basically I was his nurse for like, I pretty much quit being his nurse 2 days ago. So for like 6 days I was his nurse just because it was on his belly button, and so he pretty much needed help with like getting up and out of bed, up and off the couch. I was cooking for us. Obviously he didn't need to be up cooking or cleaning or anything. So I was just very consumed with that, making sure he's getting his medicine and everything. And then when he started feeling better, I was like, okay, I'm gonna finally edit this video. So that was a long explanation. I hope it made sense. But yeah, so I'm back. I'm ready to clean today because, like I said, Matt has basically been down and out for the count for the last like almost week, and so you'll see what I mean. Our furniture is rearranged. I rearranged our living room furniture to like make it more comfortable for him since he was spending a lot of time out there playing video games and stuff. So we just need to get everything back in order. I have a few loads of laundry to do, which that never happens because since it's just 2 of us, I never get behind on laundry, and I'm behind. I just need to clean. So Jasper is going to the vet. I can't remember if I said that or not. I feel like I've been talking for 4 minutes. I need to stop. This is what happens though. There's been so much going on. Anyways, he is going to the vet to get shots, just like his general yearly shots, rabies, not heartworm. He takes heartworm medicine, but he has to get a few shots. He's also getting his nails cut. He hates getting his nails cut. I can't do them, first of all because his nails are black, and so you can't see the tissue on the inside, and I'm too scared that I'm gonna like clip it too short. Also, he just will run away if you get the nail clippers out, so the vet's gonna have to do it today. They're probably gonna have to muzzle him because the only time I've ever seen him aggressive, the only time he's ever been aggressive is when we tried to get his nails cut at the vet when we first got him, and he was growling at the vet. That's the only time he's been aggressive, and so they're probably gonna have to muzzle him just so he's not aggressive to them. He doesn't know what's about to happen, but he has to be there at, I guess I need to go check the time. I'm sitting in front of the window like usual. Oh my God, this lighting. He has to be there at 3:30, and it's 2:19. My grandma just called. I need to call her back. So we need to leave in about 25 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some, oh my God, why does this do this? Yeah, mess. Here's a sneak peek. It's a total disaster. I need to get some laundry going though. That way that can at least be going while I'm at the vet. And I also need to take out the trash. Our bathroom trash and our kitchen trash is overflowing. Literally there is trash all over the counter because our trash can's full. So I'm going to take that out on the way when we leave for the vet because the dumpster is like at the entrance of our apartment complex. So I'm just going to dump that as we leave. So those are my 2 goals. Let's add a third one. Make the bed. I need to make the bed. So yeah, laundry, trash, bed. Let's go ahead and get started. You want to say hi? You don't even know what's about to happen, do you? No, you do not.
Don't tell me how you feel, so quiet laying next to me. The silence souvenir, letting you go. Keep craving you the days that you don't want me, like searching for some heat inside a cold breeze. On and on forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh, 'cause baby I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried.
Okay, so we're back from the vet. He got his shots, he got his nails cut, and as predicted, he did fine with the shots. The nail cut didn't do that good. He had several accidents on himself and on the vet. So he's about to get a bath, but I want to let him kind of chill out. We just got home. So while he's just like relaxing, I'm going to finish cleaning up the bedroom and getting these clothes put away. And then by that point, he might be ready to get a bath. So first, I'm going to switch over the laundry that I put in this morning, and then I'm going to get started on the rest of this bedroom.
Guess I don't care as long as you're there. As long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight?
Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what I do with my homemade mask. I have a few, and we wear these when we go out still and everything. So I just wash them in the washing machine with my clothes, and you guys saw me use that mesh bag. It's technically for like any like undergarments, like bras, underwear, swimsuits, anything like that. I use it for my swimsuits and my bras because sometimes I use it for my bras. My sports bras, I don't really care, but my swimsuits and like my nicer bras, I do, just because the like arm straps have gotten wrapped around the washing machine barrel, the thing in the middle of the washing machine, and they've gotten like stretched out before, and it's like ruined swimming suits for me, or like ruined bras that I've had. So I like to put those in there, but they're also great for masks so that you can easily find your masks and not throw them in the dryer. And I just put them on top of the dryer when it's running, and the heat of the dryer will dry them. So by the time this load is done, these will probably all be dry and ready to go. So As you saw, I did start another load, so I have 2 loads going now. So let's go ahead and get started on the bedroom while these are running.
Yeah, you think you got the best of me, but just because I'm giving you my love for free, are things not for real? You've been telling everyone about us, but you are not the only one I call for fun. Late night to hear love gun. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be on my own, on my own. No, you don't hear when I told you how I fear we are done, that we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, you tell me that I made
Okay, so as you can see, I just got all the trash off the counter. It's all over there. The trash can is full, so I actually need to take this out and put a new liner in. I'm about to go to my friend's house, so I'll just drop it off on the way. This is disgusting. This is what I need to do next. The camera's not even totally picking it up, but this tray gets like so disgusting. And so I just need to clean it off, clean all these things off. And I also got a very small Grove order the other day, so I'll just show you what I got real quick. So I just needed some soaps, some dish and hand soaps. This is my last hand soap that I have for the kitchen. I do Bath and Body Works foaming in the bathroom, and then the Mrs. Meyer's in the kitchen. I just like the foaming one to be in the bathroom. So this was my last hand soap, and then my last dish soap is this right here. And I'm about to here, as you can see, but I just wanted to get some more before I ran out. So I got the peony scent for both and the honeysuckle scent for both. I figured that these would be good for summer. And then I got a new method spray because this is my last one, the grapefruit one that I'm using, and it was running a little bit low. So I got this one, and it is in the scent Clementine. It smells really good. I also got a new bubble up set. I just have the regular one out, but I got the cherry blossom one, so I'm actually probably gonna just replace it and just throw that, whoops, just throw this brush away, and I'll probably have to throw the sponge away as well, because as you can see, the sponge is like soaked up some of that dirt. So I just need to get this area cleaned up, wash out my sink, and then I just need to wipe all the counters down.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine.